This is called the Forge, and it's up at Purdue University on the north end of Mackey Arena, and it's basically an area for kids to gather. It's under roof, but it basically looks like a Boilermaker project. So it looks like, something that would be a boiler that had blown up. They had wanted to look like something that had just metal to it, had rivets, and it looked just very industrial. Yeah, we built a pit below that, and the pit was about 18 inches tall, so we could service the lights, and that's where they live. We made access panels around the outside of it where you could remove a panel, and you could, at any point, you could get in, and somebody, even an average sized guy, could get in there to service them. Basically, all the panels were removable, and then these lights were all in series around there. The lights were color changing LEDs, and they're controlled from a remote site, so you could sit back on your iPhone and you could change the color, you could change the sequence or the speed of the flash. There's probably 15 LED panels that are probably 2 foot long in each one of these. We ran them in a series, ran them around, and located them in such a manner that you wouldn't actually see the lights coming up through the glass. The glass is kind of special too. The glass is 5-inch thick molten glass that we had fabricated, and the glass is about probably 5 layers of glass all fused together. The top layer is just jars of glass that were different colors, red, yellows, and oranges. The glass was all broken and smashed and then put into a furnace and melted to give it a look of a campfire. But the average shop wouldn't be able to take this thing from turnkey to not only build the vanes or the fins, which are difficult to build, but then to think about the pit, what the pit looks like, and how you mount it to the ground, and how it stays stable, and how you can maintain it, and how you can clean it, how you can service lights, all those different variables. So we were able to do the whole thing, and then it was a turnkey operation. One of the most flattering parts about this project was after the first day this was under roof and the lights were turned on all night, the neighbor lady from across the street called the fire department. She said the building was on fire. So what had happened was the illusion of this thing being a campfire actually came to life, because in real life she called the fire department thinking the building was on fire. So that was a compliment to us. Fire department not so excited about it.